Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of organization with the 4-pack large stackable kitchen storage drawers, a versatile solution for keeping your home neat and tidy. These clear, stackable drawers are crafted from BPA-free PET material and feature a unique groove design on top, allowing you to stack them securely while saving space. With dimensions of 12 inches long, 7.5 inches wide, and 7 inches high, they can hold up to 15 pounds when stacked, making them perfect for storing everything from snacks and canned goods to cosmetics and office supplies. The built-in sliding rail and handles make accessing your items a breeze, while the anti-slip silicone pads ensure stability wherever you place them. These multi-use organizers are ideal for any room in your home, from the kitchen and pantry to the bathroom and bedroom, and their transparent design seamlessly blends with any decor. Remember, these drawers are easy to clean with soap and warm water, but please avoid putting them in the dishwasher. At Zero Zoo, customer satisfaction is our top priority, so feel free to reach out if these storage solutions don't meet your expectations. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.